Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some interesting tool in AutoCAD to make easiest way for the lighting. So here I have a room. Okay, let's go for it. I need two lights here. So normally we used to do polyline so like this and divide this one into four. Then from the point I have to draw again here. Then divide this one into four. So I have to copy the symbol light. So let's Control Shift C and paste it here. So we will use to copy this one to here. So this is a normal way. But this one, what I'm going to show you something different. Like this one CL cone center line. Okay. Again. Again. Okay. Finish. So let's break this one. I don't want to do this one. I need for a markup. So same divide. So just extend this one and divide into four. So same way Control V because I already copied. And you can copy this one. This is another way. So for light done. But if you need two light, it will be more faster. CL, this one and this one. Enter, X enter, VX enter, div, click. If you know the block name, light block name, you can put it block A, enter, enter. And I need two lights, so two light meaning four. Just delete this. Finish. This is a faster way to do this kind of work. So if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Until next video, take care.